This is the Novus Hair Waver, and you can see, whoa, nice big, thick, big curly waves. Gives a really cool beach look to the hair, and it also gives a really nice shine. And it actually, I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. I really do appreciate it because one of the really cool, try to smell it. It's got essential oils in it. So when you actually use it on your hair, the essential oils are steamed into your hair. And I'll just give you a little bit of an extra little show here. It really turned out nice. So I'm really kind of excited. I've got my glasses in here, but let me show you. So give you a little bit more close up here. Pretty cool, huh? Yeah, it looks really nice. I thought it turned out really well, and gives some style and a little bit of fullness and volume to it. So pretty cool. And I cut my hair myself, so I'm not like a real good hair person, other than I do a lot of stuff to make sure it's taken care of. I take care of my hair. So yeah, this is a great styling tool. I didn't smell any burning on my hair. So that was really nice, because some of the other tools that I use, sometimes it smells like my hair's burning. I'm like, oh, but I didn't smell any of that. And so that was pretty cool. But yeah, really nice, really thick. And I'm kind of excited to wake up tomorrow and see what does it do when I sleep on it. I feel like I might have to just kind of touch up the top of it. I might not have to do a full style on it, but I'll find out tomorrow. But yeah, pretty cool. I love it. What a great option. Really easy. So thanks again, Novus.